Me, there, I'm in a disrespect Lady V. No time at all. Me leave from her page without social media, knowing. Lady V walk around and mad with me because of something. When we don't have nothing to do with. I believe in a man falling on his own sword, whether it be now or later. Certain things I have to stay back from it. You see how everybody treat social media? Me can't do it. Me never come out here for my own. Me see movements and pre-men. Auntie unfollow me. I'm so sorry that she have to hear them type of stuff, but them people is just that dirty. So me now, me never hold no grudge, no hate, no nothing. Here she, the whole of them man, them they like that. Because now me forget vex like everybody else and go over there so and stay over there so and represent them, and each time I come out, no, Lady View don't look like so. Pana high chair, sit your blood clot down. You're there ground. For what you do, use my blood clot footstool. I should come back to my page is what? How can I say the things that I say and people get a grip in a silent and come back to my page? Because I'm an article person. If you never fuck with me, nobody wouldn't get me out here, so. No, I wanna not dry me out, you know. I wanna not dry me out. She don't like her from day one. DDT, she don't like her from day one, darling. She don't like her. Oh. She never share her out, never congratulate her for nothing. And when she see everybody else are doing so, she won't look bad. Child, make me tell it about say my auntie and Chris Flush. Your face damn blood clot bright. Then you for stink, sir. Child, please. Come and cock your glasses down and make me tell you when me have to tell you. Because I don't fucking done. No one know when me trouble you, when me I trouble you about. Eh? Why can't I go tell the latest say she a victim like me too? Why can't I go do that? Why can't I go do the latest? What? The latest JA, whatever it is, over and so that nice little young lady. Why don't you go tell her that she ain't safe neither with you? Nobody is fucking safe. Get up out my face. Don't talk to me, motherfucker. What the fuck wrong with you, Lady V? You think that I was gonna love my aunties like this and the spirit of the Lord ain't show me my 2 new aunties, huh? When I was running over there, I wasn't running over there just because I was filling them out and to see them and they respect. And I swear to God, y'all ain't gotta know my business. Just know every time they come out with something, I'm gonna fucking buy it. Okay? Y'all don't even fucking do that. Don't talk to me. You're not in my league. Don't talk behind my back. You kiss my ass without my goddamn consent, bitch. That's what you're doing. I'm not going to hit you like everybody else hit you. Because then, baby, I'm going to tell you that, listen, my parents was different. I don't know the fuck about you. But I ain't going to do that. You can have that, bitch, and you can learn from it. Ah, little latest. The little nice brown skin girl there with a little fine voice was smarter than Lady V, yes. Since you want Kingston 13 for start or whatever the case may be, you don't run around on this shit like that, bitch, and you know say you lie. You are the center of the blood clot lying. Move it. Lying spirit. Yeah, we all go get things probably just because you want the people them to feel like something. Nobody, the woman them in no competition with none of the nastiness out here. Them is quite alright. Nobody don't know you and your fucking lifestyle. Move. Oh. No, come me, it's a G. Shit. Do you all me do things for you so me can't to explain to you word for word. But me's a humble person. Me say if you look at you in the mirror, me say, I'm gonna go so I'm on the nicest day when you know I feel good. Listen, think about me to cause baby me stay the same. I just dress like a man, that's all. She a fuck with the wrong person. She's a mama girl. And if me do want to make jokes, let me tell you something. Joke that a long time. She don't fucking like me. I don't bother she. I don't bother she. She come out here with the big word. Them. The big word mean kiss ping ping ass. That's what it mean, bitch. It don't mean nothing else. A war. Yeah, what the fuck you want? What you wanted, a patient? No. I'm my own goddamn patient. And I know how to do myself. All them people that believe in you after this fucking day here, and after all of them goddamn lives, them people probably wasn't even, half of them people wasn't even sharing your fucking life like I was, honey. But you ain't shit. All of a sudden, because I said something like a couple of days ago and shit, you up there texting and calling. No, you thought I was the fuck I was gonna answer? I told you about American kids, bitch. Oh. But tell you, Tina Chin, you have company a long time. Change your ways. I make them have it. Stop split bread. Stop split your blood clot. Pudding pad. Oh. You will talk to 1, 2, 3 people. This year one you talk to a whole bunch. You never see the player. You never see it. She do more skit than a blood clot. One day, 1 week, you're cool with my OG. Me I watch you till cool with my OG, and then you turn on and I style the man when you a mama blood clot girl long time. You want somebody to stay loyal to you and you can't offer them shit. Only a earhead bitch you don't do that. Stand round you make people get in trouble for no reason at all. Oh. I don't know what is she. What me see other Jamaican people do on social media and all them show people everything. My father said don't do that. You hear? Real we recognize real and even the fake. The Lord, they must want me expose you. Because me not going to say nothing what everybody else say. All my shit is facts. You a lying on the fucker. You ain't shit. Oh no, they not gonna like me. But I tell them to back the fuck away. I've been telling them this shit from the last live. I'm talking about some Maxine called me baby. She left me a message. I answered. Then it's her. And then it's chit chat. That shit don't seem weird to y'all. I know the fuck my empath say hell no. These motherfuckers is crazy. All of a sudden. Back to back. Bye, bitch. Nah, do it. I don't want an argument out here, so I have no argument for nobody. I see you. Oh, because I don't have time. You cannot kiss me as I have ambition. May I ask you nothing? I never ask you nothing. I'm gonna go back and listen to this shit. Cause me just want to hear something. Not stay long neither. Don't have no manners. You ain't got shit with you. She mix up like what?
Yeah. That we to control the dog.
I feel laughing with the fan not working out. Yeah, she more than a blood clot mix up. Lady B is more than a mix up. She nasty bad. Not lying.
It's true, I believe it's chocolate she's talking about.
Of course she was. Of course she was. The blood clot. Envious spirit. You must think I dropped me and make this man, you know?
Me not say that I'm not true.
No, man. Listen here. Whoever said that, they are 1,000% right. People can't come and grin on a teeth. Don't me say them have some blood clot females like this. Hey girl, how you doing? Fuck you, bitch. And with the same smile, fuck you, bitch. With the same smile. Hey girl. Yes, see one there. Lady V. Oh.
And that, which I accuse them of. And that me I talk about.
It sound like say she had take drugs or something. I never know say she was like that. I don't like say me never hear, you know. I don't like say me a fool. Sometimes we have to let the Lord work though. Can we don't come out and say certain things and they not even reach the market yet. And it would be a problem. So what me do? We walk in a peace. Everybody have the same fucking experience. She talk about counselor. You're a counselor rat. You call people just like how you call Ashanti. And him play it back. I see him where you sound. You told me to listen to that. I said, rotted. Yo, it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing like sitting here in truth and you listen to 1,000 people and because you experience some shit, what the fuck y'all think? How would that register to y'all? Oh shit. Oh damn. She like, oh shit. Damn it. Did I come out here and behave like that? No.
For a mix up. So I know where she, you get what I'm saying? She accused them of assemble.
No man, because you see because my pink slip, me have one pink slip out here and it not have nothing on it. But me staying straight, me not diss them, me not do nothing like that. You understand? Me never come out here for sympathy, you know. I come out here to do the Lord's job, but it's a dirty one, and He understand that. And I could further explain myself, honey. I could explain myself later. Now's not the time for it. My fucking head back bleeding, baby. Been bleeding for months now. Alright?
And that, when we don't believe sideline, and I say, she didn't say, I ain't nothing like that. The track record call. That part of me and that.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something later, V. You see, cause you don't know this. You might feel like say you can't play with the people them. Make I put it to you like this. You hear? You see Ashanti? That's his business and my blood clot business. Why him will know later on, like to the name deal. Say me care out of 3 years. You understand that? And I went to the bottom of the belly. And all me act, me have to act out the same way and be myself and be article because of what I said. That if he was my brother, what another woman was doing and he wouldn't have never understand it in this fucking term. And I ain't gotta sit there and look for credit. I just keep going. You motherfucker. Kingston 13. Lady V. Knew me. When her and Dwayne was fucking cool. When I first got out here. I have all my life. So you try to do something that you're fucking stupid because that woman shouldn't have a problem with me. That's because you're a fucking narcissist. You nastiness. You ever see some people will go around and talk about some people, thank you, and talk about some people. And the people them don't know the people them and know such them now gonna change or whatever. Let me tell you something. Anybody will call her up for her name, Lady V, in a one nice way, should never ask why. She just like the feeling of it. It make her moist. She don't give a damn. And if it was a paycheck to get, honey, she couldn't pay me.
leave a rough thing here, you know.
Yes, my G, because you see, coming about that she, and she vex my spirit, eh? Me say, I when you wake up to write it, because when you end your life, I just know me end your life too. You keep me up all night long, and I thank you, Ashanti, for reaching out on your own to me showing up on your page, and nobody knew that my mom and went on the glory, and I will always love you for that. Real talk. You didn't have to, but you show me you. You jealous, Lady V? You can't come like that because you unfucking real. You just like that old fake ass food that they putting in people's body, bitch. Bye. You coat past the coat leading ass. Yeah, you is. Attention seeker. Coming on your live acting like you doing something. Bitch, go ahead and talk. What you waiting for?
I believe that one listed. Never the people believe that. I believe that. Think really they're right. I don't believe that. The grandmas and all that there. Fucking I'm going to such a blood clot.
I said nothing no go so cause the lad there around the corner. Nothing no go so. If it goes so, it goes so. It not go so. I don't know what a blood clot she know. One day, me get off. Me get off in my headspace. Zine. You can't blame me, no. Because me dey just want to know. You see? Alright. Boy, I'm not feel laugh because mama me miss you, you know. But that day you be funny to me. Because I witness a lot of shit. So because I'm not even who she says she is. When y'all play up with certain people, oh, I'm gonna be your friend and all of this stuff. You could get a blessing from him or a fucking curse. And this bitch is gonna get a curse fee. Just like I'm cussing her ass now. That curse. You understand? Because she have to be fucking cursed for do shit to everybody like this. Lady B is a piece of shit. And the more me I think about it, she shouldn't even have called my name in her first fucking place. Ask her what happened September 18th. And ask the Lord what my demeanor was behind the phone. Because that young lady over there on YouTube didn't give her away by hanging up with that lady. So I had to know about the dude, the vlog, the Damien vlog guy. Then I had to know about their business and how the latest came about. Now all of this shit that Kingston 13 about to say, I didn't catch it. So now I have the good afternoon. And now I have the chance to sit down and I listen. And 100%, it have to be a problem. Because usually, I dey over Shanti page. I mean, I be there and I jukes and I watch. You have to know certain things and it's not good. And maybe when you see things and things cannot change, look back on that big pussy hole there because she probably have something to do with it. Me hear them say Lorraine say she's a wicked. That's the first truth she tell out here.
Jesus. I'm putting this. Now that we I'm saying, all right. Oh, I didn't want to think like that. I was accused them of several. That man that no me don't believe Sarah and then I said she didn't say and nothing like that. The track record gone. That part of the man that never seen nothing like that. You could confirm that still I don't never thought that it my life. But So I know the things there, but they're really rough and weird.
Yeah.
I believe that one. Listen, I just think people believe that. I don't believe that. I think they're right. I don't believe that. You know what I mean? I'm like, fucking, I'm going to such a blood clot.
Alright, block. Block.
Everybody that idea. I'm just saying.
Me, I know you're a best friend. You have a best friend out here. But let me show you how real people look on things. She don't tell Chit Chat say to come out here. I should talk about Chit Chat too. Cause me worried about that now. Me worried about that now. Because looks are deceiving and sounds are deceiving. Tired of this bitch. Shit, me say me not bother nobody and them a bother me. Oh me have go down toilet. Your face damn bumble clot out harder.
See him sat there and some woman, hold on, you know. One on and us, nah, you know, so hold on, you know.
And you know, say, I'm me stubborn, you know, from that Saturday, there, where Shanti talk about, you know, say, I'm stubborn, because if I reach out, and you know, say, God know me come from a life, and I say, Kingston 13, I want to lick you in the back of your neck, or whatever, the word where she used, I'm come out here and say that. Without saying nothing or causing a problem. To say, yeah, this and that and the third. Because when the man upstairs show me certain things, I'm not disobedient. As God as my witness, me have witness to me just, you know what I'm saying, me just stay a certain way. If I go around somewhere and it not feel right to me, and every time I get it, I'm very much so fucking normal. Shit. Hey, let me tell you something, man. If anybody real, I'm not talk about me. I'm not disrespect nobody. Where they're not open with when they speak. It's my auntie chocolate and vanilla. Them I'm not lie. And them love that woman just. They'd be a fuckery. Oh, tell her that.
They'd be a mix up with that one. Why? Go ahead, Carla, while you're nice and clear. Oh, hold on there, Carla. Sorry. I'm not have you up. I think I'm coming up here. I can't get it. Mark up, woman. You're too friendly. Yep. Let's be real. I'm going to tell you something. I'm thinking shit. Yeah? And obviously we can't do it because I'm going to tell you something. We use one thing and we can use a control that woman and we have one daughter. And it means to my daughter, we don't give her a damn. And yeah, your woman.
Yes, sir. Why she call the latest name? Because latest was on our program. And she was talking about something because I was over there. Because my name Data 876. And as she was over there, she must have seen me there on the live when the woman when the lady called in. And I think that's, to me, that's one of the latest regular person. You understand? So she never liked what the woman has said. So, right when me in the latest now, I'm daddy, I'm a jokes, I'm a listen. I see my phone goes so bring. She just start going on some fucking weird shit. And then she said, yes, you see, the latest, me not go back our blood clot page. Me not going back our blood clot page. Because she don't listen. Like she want program the young lady thing. And she get mad and she call me. I couldn't tell the latest nothing because watch this. I know from that young lady that she have a great amount of respect for Lady V. So me can't intervene like that. And me don't know how the latest look for me as a person. I don't know if she watch me or nothing. But I always feel some type of way. Always. And I'm an art. You give me a lie detector test, I'm not coming up inconclusive. Because the latest was over there with the young lady, and the young lady stand up with the latest. So something was going on. And the lady call in and I say how she feel. Lady V never like that. You know how long me know that? September blood clot 18 was the last time. And when she called back, I must have text back. I never text back. One of my sisters said from about a year ago, 9 months, 10 months now, said that woman, I make it seem like there's something wrong with me. I'm telling you, man, I got ambition here. Every fucking thing where this woman says a lie, Lady V is a bitch. Me not lie. Before anybody know me share out chit chat and the whole of them live. I used to send my calendar and I lie me, I tell the whole of the videos them is there. When man say I talk about this young lady, the latest, me come out and say something. Nobody no know because I don't say nothing for if me not share certain people things, we just want them protected. Because I know that my space over here, my airway is not always nice. Because I come out on some serious things. Lady V have no fucking business. Me leave her page because Lady V said me and Dr. Love, the people them are look for me and him bad because we never cuss out Erica. And that's our problem, and this lady is a fucking liar. Me never have to disrespect the woman. Anybody for far upon them sword, I believe in that. Me never come out here and ask the boss lady to come tune in and like what me I say and this, that and the third. It's not a flattering tongue. We come from a serious place. Nobody never survived to listen to me because the way of the people them still have to speak that way. Do I speak? Do I curse when I'm outside? No. I've been over here for like 40 years almost, if it ain't that. I don't disrespect nobody for her to do the shit that she do to me. Shazza B. Yo, them better cut y'all. Man, look, man. Hear me, man. She should have leave me alone, you hear? Oh. She come out there and I do that shit to everybody. I could tell you what she act like. I sit here. None of these young ladies, none of these grown women, none of them don't owe me shit. When she called God Jamaica for Grandma Richie funeral, that was a fucking fake. If you want to be somebody and go somewhere, you better wake the fuck up, Lady V, and pay attention. You hear that? Because me never trouble you or war.